So here is the quick method to add product to your account. So the first thing, once you hit this link, afripnet.com/vendor dashboard, as if you are registered as a vendor, this is the first place it brings you into. So what the first thing you need to do is to hit this menu button here. Once you tap here, you are going to see the product section. So we are going to do this very quickly. It's something that won't take more than 5 minutes for you to add a single product. So once you come here, you hit the add product button here, add product, then you set the product name. You set the product name by, okay, here's the product. Let me add wristband, made in African wristband, made in Nigeria wristband. So this is the name of the product I want to add to my account. So it's going to be a simple product and not a variable product. Then you put a price. The initial price is supposed to be 6,000 naira, but I'm giving my customers a discount, so I will sell it for 4,800 naira. So this is just for you to attract customers. So the SKU, I'll add it, made in Nigeria wristband. Your SKU should just be a combination of numbers and letters. You can use only numbers, you can use only letters as your SKU. So if you have your shipping weight, you hit. So this was how I go to the SKU session. This is SKU session here. If you hit this one that looks like a car, that's for the shipping details, the weight of the products, the length, the width, and the height. Then the shipping class, you can select a shipping class if it's a big item, a medium item, or a small item. So I will put this as small item and hit done. The maximum shipping charge, you don't need to include anything here. Free shipping product, you don't need to add anything on this section. Then upsell and the cross sell, you don't have anything to add there. Then the purchase note, you don't have anything to add here. Under the settings, product designer, there's no product designer available for vendors. So all you just need to do is from here, if you want customer to be able to place order through WhatsApp, you need to assign this last one here. You need to click on it and assign it to Joy Afripnet. That is the WhatsApp contact of the store. So you need to activate it. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to the product image, the first image you want users to see on your about the product. So you hit and select product picture from your gallery. So after adding the product size has to be very, very light, not something heavy to take time to upload, or it may not upload at all. Then if you have other pictures of your products, you can add them under this product gallery. Select product gallery, so you can add more than one pictures here. Select the first one, you add the second one, so they are the same image. I'm just using this as an example. Don't add the same image twice. Then categories, so you select the category that suits what you are selling. This is under fashion, fashion, makeup, accessories. So you just have to look at the one that best suits what you are promoting. Then after that, you go to the tags, accessories. It's under accessory, African ready to wear apparel, Ankara. So you can add this Ankara or ready to wear apparel, because this wristband can actually go with Ankara wears. So the tags are what you can actually use to allow users to search for products that are related to the keywords, which are the tags that you have put up here. The product visibility, just leave it as, if you put this manual selection and hit done, you are going to select from this this business to customer groups, but what you need to do is you have to leave it at this default rule, which is what we have actually set up for you already, so you don't need to do any other settings on this section. So then product description, so you have to look for key description for this your product. Okay, this is made in Nigeria wristband for all kinds of Ankara and English wears. Ladies and gentlemen can use this product to complement their outfit. So just put this and you are good to go. You can write more product description, short description. You can just type in the made in Africa. Just you have to generate or look for keywords for your description for your product. So after doing this, you come back to the top and click on save new product. So you hit on the save. Once this is saved, just hold on, it's loading. So your product has been created successfully. You can now continue to edit it. Why they saved it for you is in case you want to just make some other corrections, you want to add some things, or you want to write more on this description and all that. So for you to see this product, now let us go to Afripnet website and see the product, afripnet.com. So here is our product here, made in Nigeria wristband. This is the product. 4,800. You can see the initial price 6,000, 4,800, VAT excluded. So the product highlights. So this is it here. We are good to go. Why I'm not seeing add to cart here is because I am the vendor, I'm the seller, I can't buy my product. That is the main reason I'm seeing this here. But when I click on this one here, I can actually add this to my cart and order on WhatsApp or buy now. So thank you for watching, and make sure you follow these simple steps so you'll be able to add your own products to the Afripnet website. If you're having any issue or challenge, just message me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.